Hey guys, welcome back to another tiny unboxing. So today we're going to unbox this TWS, and recently I have been trying this kind of TWS because they are going for really cheap. You can get them for around $4 to $5. I did try few other TWS in the past, so I did make few videos about them. Here I paid only $4 for this Lenovo TWS. They're from well-known brand. Obviously they are not going to sound like today's TWS, but they're pretty good for the price actually. So here we have Lenovo True Wireless Bluetooth headphones, and the model number of this TWS EA230. You can see all the specification here. It got Bluetooth 5.4 in ear design, also has touch control and 24 hours of battery, but I highly doubt about this specification. Obviously it's going to have touch support and in ear design, but Bluetooth 5.4 I highly doubt that. And you can see other features here, and I think I have ordered the white color one. Let me check that. And the production date, as you can see here, from 2025. This is necessary actually. If you buy any TWS before unboxing, check the production date. Otherwise you might get TWS with bad battery. So let's unbox this and check what we are getting. So we don't have anything here in the box, so keep it aside. The manual, Chinese and Chinese, so there is no English manual. TWS, oh, they are pretty good actually. They are good, pretty good sling. And we have a type C cable, ear tips, and nothing else. So keeping this aside and check the TWS. So as you can see, this looks sick actually, really good, and they feel really good actually, not really cheap. I thought it's going to be cheap feeling like other one I have tried in the past, but the plastic feels good, and the hinge, oh, these hinge are really good. You can see these are originally from Lenovo. This feels good. So we have type C port, and the finishing actually good actually. These things look sick. So if I take them out right now, maybe they don't really have any power. Oh, they do. So let me try to connect to my phone and see how they work. So let's connect to this device. Bluetooth. Pair new device. Let's open it. There is no pair button actually. So maybe if you take them out, they'll be in pair mode. Yes, as you can see here, the model number Lenovo EA230. Yeah. One of the downside of this kind of TW is that you are not getting any kind of app support, so you can't really check individual battery percentage of case and earbuds, so that is a downside. But for the price you can't really complain, only $4. So let me play music. So as you can see here, it is connected and it is showing the battery percentage. So you can see the design of this earbuds, it looks really good actually. They have some marking here, but the design is good, and also the finishing of the buds actually good. They looks good. They're a little bit different than the usual earpods, but they're looking really good actually, and the silicone tips also pretty soft. I'm really impressed because this cost only $4 and they are pretty amazing for the price. Let's check the controls of this TWS. We do have touch control on both of them, as you can see here, just like other TWS and also Apple AirPods. So they also have same kind of touch control. So let's see how they works. You can see here the music is not playing. If I touch for once, and it is started playing, but there is latency between controls, so they does not really work immediately like other TWS. So there is some issue. As I said, I highly doubt that it got Bluetooth 5.4. Maybe that is the case here. And if I press and hold, it does nothing actually. If I press and hold, play pause is working, but so as you can see here, play pause is working on both of them. If I double press, so if I double press, it does change the track. and we can play pause and working great, and we can double press to change the track, so it is working. So we can't increase or decrease volume, but we can change tracks and play and pause. So I have used them for some time. One thing which is pretty good about this TWA is that the build quality. So build quality is pretty nice, it's solid. For $4, the build quality is top notch. I have no complaint, and they are pretty comfortable. They works really well. And few things I have to talk about this TW is that, first of all, the controls. So the controls only works for play pause, and you can use them to change tracks, nothing else. And if you press and hold them, they will turn on Gemini or Google Assistant. So that's it. There is no volume controls on this TWS. They works really well for the price. They do support AAC codec, so pretty good. One thing which is pretty bad about this TW is that the latency. So you can't really use them for gaming, but for listening and watching movies, you're not going to feel that. But for gaming, these are no go. But anyway, for $4, you can't really go wrong with this TWS. They are pretty good for the price. So if you want to try this TWS, you can try them. Obviously, if you are someone who just listen to music and watch videos, for them, this will work. The battery backup is pretty good. I have no complaint. So that's all about this TWS. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.